Namaskar Gurukulians, class 12th economics. How are you students? I hope you all are fine. We shall continue our topic in this video lecture. Our topic was aggregate demand, aggregate supply and related concepts. Chapter 7, macroeconomics. The name of the chapter is aggregate demand, aggregate supply, and related concepts. In previous video lecture, it means in third video lecture, we have discussed consumption function derivation and saving function derivation. But in this video lecture, we shall discuss some question of the particular topic which was going on in third video lecture. Suppose you have to given C. You know these equation C is equal to C bar plus B into Y. Here C means consumption equation and C bar means autonomous consumption, B means MPC. MPC means delta C upon में delta Y, that is known as slope, and Y means level of income. If I will make S equation means saving function equation, then it will be minus C bar plus 1 minus B into में Y. This is negative saving when income is 0. If consumption is 20, saving will be negative, because at a 0 level income, if consumption is 20, saving will be negative. क्योंकि 0 में से जब 20 माइनस करेंगे, it will be minus savings, that is known as dis savings. Okay बेटा. Next topic is, this is known as autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption means at a 0 level income. अगर आपकी income 0 भी है तो भी आपका consumption जो है वो कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर होगा, that is known as autonomous consumption. 1 minus B, you can write it MPS also. Why we will write MPS? Because we know MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. Then MPC value is equal to MPS 1 minus MPC and MPC 1 minus MPS. Okay बेटा. Here we assume a B. यहाँ पर हमने B को क्या assume किया? MPC. तो 1 minus B is known as MPS. MPS is equal to delta S upon delta Y. It means change in saving upon change in income. Okay, you have given 3 questions in HOTS. I am telling you that question one by one. If you have to given one equation you have to given, that is C is equal to BY. Now you have to make S equation from C equation, यानी कि आपको saving function बनाना है किससे? Consumption function से. तो C is equal to BY. B means MPC, Y means level of income, S you have to make. Firstly you will make it 1 minus B into में Y. This is the required answer. Next question I am telling you, what value will you assign to the slope of S function when the slope of C function is given 0.6? C function slope is given 0.6. It means MPC is given 0.6. MPC is given 0.6. This is the slope of which? This is the slope of C function. So you will find you will assign to the value of the slope of S function when the slope of C function is given 0.6. Let us start. We know this thing, MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. The value of MPC is 0.6. Now I will find value of MPS, that is 1 minus 0.6, and answer will be 0.4. I am telling you why it is, ऐसा क्यों होता है. I am telling you by explaining this thing. MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. I will prove it. MPC delta C. I am taking left hand side. MPC delta C upon delta Y. MPS delta S upon delta Y. I am taking LCM delta Y. Now in next step what I will do? I will take it C plus S, delta C plus delta S. We know this thing कि Y is equal to C plus S. Why it is? अगर आपके पास income है तो what you will do? You will consume some part and save some part. So I will do, it will be delta C plus delta S. It means it will be delta Y. Delta Y will cut by delta Y and answer will be 1. The next two equation, you will find it continuously by this. If you are finding MPC, it will be 1 minus MPS. Or if you are finding MPS, it will be 1 minus MPC. If you are facing any problem, you can take your problem on WhatsApp. And the next question, statement is given C bar is equal to 200. That is given C bar. C bar, you know, that is autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption, it means zero level consumption. You have to given C bar 200, MPS 0.4, MPS 0.4, and next is given level of income. Level of income is 1000. Level of income is 1000. Now what you have to do? You have to find saving. आपको क्या निकालनी है? Saving. Let us start because I know the formula. My formula is minus C bar plus MPS into में Y. Now I will put the value again. I know this thing. It will be minus 200 plus 0.4. This is 1000 and minus 200 plus 400 and answer will be 200. This is the required answer. The next topic I am telling you, that is relationship between propensity to consume and propensity to save. Let us start the relationship between propensity to consume. Propensity to consume means APC. Propensity to save, it means APS. We have to prove it. हमें क्या करना है? इसे prove करना है. Let us start. APC plus APS is equal to 1. How it is? APC means C plus Y. APC means C upon Y. APS means S upon Y. I will take LCM Y, C plus S, that will be equal to Y, and Y will be cut by Y, the answer will be 1. The next equation, APC is equal to 1 minus APS and APS is equal to 1 minus APC. The same relation I told you by this video lecture. MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. This is also we shall prove, but I told you earlier, मैंने आपको ये पहले ही बता दिया. MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. I already told you about how it will be possible. The next is, I am telling you 3 or 4 questions are given in HOTS. I am telling you that question. First is personal disposable income is 1000 crore and consumption expenditure is 750 crore. What is? I am telling you again. Personal disposable income, it means that is Y, and what we have to given? Consumption expenditure 750. Find out APS. Firstly, I will write the given statement. Income is 1000, consumption is 750. I will find the saving. Saving is equal to Y minus C. 1000 minus 750, that is 250. Okay. Now I have to find what? I have to find APS. What is the APS? APS formula is S upon Y. S 250 and Y is 1000. That is 1 by 4. It means 0.25. Next question. Can MPC ever be, sorry not MPC, APC. Can APC ever be negative? क्या जो APC है वो negative होती है? Yes. APS जो है वो negative होती है. APS means saving. और you know this thing, आपको पता है कि जहाँ पर income का level consumption से कम हो जाता है, यानी कि income अगर है 50 और consumption है 60, तो saving will be negative. Let us start. If your income is 50 or 100 suppose, or consumption is 120, so what will be the saving? Y minus C, that is minus 20, or I will find APS, that is 20 upon 100. It means minus 0.2. So it can be. Next is APC and MPC are two perimeters, the value of which perimeter can be greater than 1 and when. देखिए बेटा, तो MPC is a slope. You know this thing कि जो MPC होता है वो तो क्या होता है? Slope होता है. MPC is a ratio between, जो MPC होता है that is a ratio between delta C upon delta Y. वो तो ratio होता है. It is a slope. Change in income and change in consumption. It is a ratio between change in consumption and change in income. But if I am telling about the APC, तो APC can be greater than 1. जो APC है वो एक से ज़्यादा हो सकता है. In the same, इसी में ले लीजिए. APC I am finding, APC is equal to C upon Y. It means C 120, Y 100, the value is 1.2. Any problem? I think you have no problem in this. And next is, can MPC and MPS ever be negative? क्या MPC और MPS जो हैं वो negative हो सकते हैं? No is the answer, because I am telling you this thing. मैं आपको ये चीज़ clear करती हूँ. Let us suppose MPC is a ratio between delta C upon delta Y and MPC delta S upon delta Y. It will change due to change in income. It will also change due to change in income. अगर income change होगी तो ही ये change होगी. That is known as MPC और MPS. तो that can never be negative. ये negative जो है वो नहीं हो सकती, because MPC is a ratio between delta C upon delta Y and MPS is a ratio between delta S upon delta Y. Likewise, the ratio slope of C function which is always positive, ये हमेशा क्या रहती है? Positive. And S upon में Y refers to slope which is always positive. जो slope है वो हमेशा क्या रहता है? Positive. Because in diagram you will see, आप diagram भी देखिए, in previous topic we have done the slope, तो दोनों के slope जो थे वो क्या थे? Upward थे. You know about कि जो saving का slope था वो क्या था? Like this one. और जो आपका consumption का slope था, that is this one. तो both are positive. दोनों क्या थे आपके? Positive थे. दोनों के slope जो थे वो क्या थे? Positive थे. That's why, यही कारण है that can never be negative. Okay बेटा? Now your chapter has been completed. I will send you the PDF. If you are facing any problem in this chapter, you can take your problem on WhatsApp. Thank you class 12. Thank you so much beta.